In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write 7.5 in Excel. Whether you're a novice or slightly more experienced with Excel, understanding how to input and format numbers is a fundamental skill that can make your data more understandable and your worksheets more readable. So let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to access Excel. If you don't have it installed on your computer, no worries. Microsoft offers a free version of Excel online. Simply go to the Microsoft 365 online webpage. Here you'll find a variety of Microsoft's applications available for use in your web browser totally free. It's an excellent resource, especially if you're working from different devices or collaborating with others online. Once you're on the Microsoft 365 webpage, you'll notice a Sign In button. Click on this to proceed. If you already have an account, fabulous. If not, you'll need to create one. This step is pretty straightforward. Just type in your email, follow the prompts, and you're set. After logging in, it's time to pick the file you'll be working on. For this example, we're using a specific Excel file that's stored online. If you're following along with your own file, now would be the time to open it. Now that we have our file open, let's get down to business. Excel is organized into rows and columns with each small box referred to as a cell. Find the cell you want to input the number 7.5 into. Once you've located it, click on that cell to select it. This is where we'll be entering our data. With the cell selected, right-click to bring up a context menu. From here, look for the Format Cells option and click on it. This action will open a new dialog box where we can specify exactly how we want our selected cell to display data. Inside the Format Cells dialog, you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in is General. However, for our specific purpose, General won't cut it. We need our cell to specifically recognize the value as text for this example. So instead of General, select the Text option. This tells Excel to interpret whatever you type into the cell exactly as is, without trying to convert it into a date, number, or anything else. With text selected, it's finally time to type 7.5 into our cell. Click on the cell again, type in 7.5, comma, and hit enter. Congratulations! You've successfully input the number 7.5 into Excel, and by formatting the cell as text, you've ensured that Excel treats it exactly as you've entered it, as the simple text 7.5, without any unintended modifications. For the final touch, let's highlight this cell to make our number stand out. Again, right-click on the cell, and this time look for formatting options that allow you to change the cell's background color, font color, or add borders. Select a highlight color that makes the cell pop but still ensures that the text is readable. This step is particularly useful if you're dealing with large data sets and want to draw attention to specific values or inputs. And there you have it. You've not only entered the value 7.5 into Excel, but also learned a few tricks about formatting and making your data more navigable. Remember, Excel is a powerful tool, and understanding how to effectively enter and format data is the first step to harnessing its full potential. Whether you're tracking expenses, organizing data, or crunching numbers for a project, these skills are universally applicable. Keep experimenting with different formatting options to discover what works best for your specific needs. And don't be afraid to explore Excel's myriad of features to make your data work for you. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and I encourage you to put these new skills to the test in your next Excel project. Happy data organizing, and see you in the next video.